something new. Central angles and inscribed angles, those are actually things that we studied before we went on a break. So I'm going back to our light purple packet, page 8. So if you want to pause the video and run and go get your packet, I'm waiting. Got it? All right, so if you go to page 8, I know it says for honors class only, and that's you. So we need to get through this together. Do you see the first thing? The most important thing that's in here, right here, is that tangent line makes 90 degrees with the radius. Dun, dun, dun. And you know, I do work on all the IXL questions that you have to work on just to see how much you have to do. So I know that once you practice IXL, there's going to be a lot of these questions where you have to remember that tangent line and radius makes 90 degrees. So if you look at this, radius is 5. Tangent line is a line that touches circle at one point. So that's your 90 is right there. Do you see it's 90 degrees right there? So what do we have here then? We just have a simple right triangle. This is a right triangle. Hypotenuse is 13. One of the leg is 5. The other is x. So all you have to do is 5 squared plus x squared equals 13 squared. Some of you, I'm sure, remember the circle special triples. So that actually just, right? I really hope you don't have to do this part, because 5 and 12, 13 always makes a special triangle. So yep, there you go. Let me just move on to the bottom one. Next example. So first one was, okay, that was just like Pythagorean theorem question. This one, oof, it's a little more work. So first, where is the 90 degrees? Find the 90. Where is the radius and where is the tangent line? Do you see it? It's right there. Oh my gosh, that's too big. So that's 90 right there, right? So which one is the hypotenuse? That's a tricky one, because hypotenuse is right there. Oh, something about 8 and x. Is it 8 plus x or is it 8 times x? Yay, it's 8 plus x. You gotta add them, right? So your question looks like this. X squared plus 16x is 8 plus x. Uh-oh, there's some work. There's some work we have to do. So can you pause the video and then try to solve it? I'm gonna pause mine too. I'm sure there's a better way, but right now I'm just gonna, I wrote all the work and I covered it up so we can just reveal it one at a time. I'm sure I can come up with a better idea later. So what is the first thing to do? What do we do first? Tricky thing is that 8 plus x squared. Remember how 8 plus x squared, you have to write it 2 times. Ta-da! So yeah, I have 8 plus x, 8 plus x. Then the next tricky part is a FOIL. First terms, outer terms, inner terms, last term. So my next step looks like this, right? 64, 8 times 8 is 64, 8 times x is 8x, x times 8 is 8x, x squared. Then we combine the like terms. Subtract 64, subtract x squared from both sides, ended up with 192 is equal to 16. And I'm sure I don't have to do the last part, but I did it. Oh, calculator gone. It kind of looks like this. 192 minus divided by 16. So I ended up with 12. Oh man, I ended up with 12. Did you get 12? I got 12. I hope you got 12. This was page 8, and I'll try to work on page 9. So try page 9 first before you move on to the next video. Got it?